Hi to everyone. Today I am going to explain about the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. The reactions in which the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is replaced by an electrophile. These reactions are called as electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. For example, benzene. In a benzene, the hydrogen atom is replaced by electrophiles because it is an electron-rich system due to the delocalization of pi electrons. The electrophilic substitution of benzene ring, the groups are substituted, that is on the benzene ring are directed into two positions. These groups are classified into two types: electron releasing groups and electron withdrawing groups. Electron releasing groups are ortho-para directors and activating groups because the electron releasing groups shows positive inductive effect and mesomeric effect. For example, these ortho-para directing groups. Examples of these ortho-para directing groups which shows positive inductive effect and positive mesomeric effect are like this. That is O minus, OH and SH and OR and SR, and here NH2 and here bond NHR and NR2 and chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. These are ortho-para directing groups and also activating groups. But exceptional, these halogens are chlorine, bromine, iodine are showing positive tautomeric forms. That's why these are deactivating groups even though they are ortho-para directors. Suppose in the second substitution of benzene, that is here benzene, this benzene undergoes nitration with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. That is here in the benzene this nuclear carbon atom is already occupied by this alkyl groups like CH3. This is called as toluene. This CH3 is known as alkyl group. This alkyl group direct the second substituent or incoming group to the ortho and para positions like this. This will get the ortho nitrotoluene and another one is para nitrotoluene are formed like this. This is called orthonitrotoluene. This is a minor product in this reaction, and this one is para-nitrotoluene. This is known as one major product in this reaction. Like the second substituent is directed towards the ortho and para positions. That's why this type of groups are called as ortho-para directing groups or that is deactivating groups. That is due to positive inductive effect and positive mesomeric effect. If both the groups are ortho-para directors, the third position takes place in this manner. That is the directive influence of each group follows this order. If both the groups are ortho-para directors, they follows this order like this: O minus, NR2, NH2, OH, like that is OCH3 and NHCOCH3 and CH3 and chlorine, bromine, iodine like halogen atoms. This is the both are ortho-para directors. They will follow this order. And one example for this one is orthochlorophenol. I am taking like this. orthochlorophenol. If in this molecule orthochlorophenol, OH group is there and halogen chlorine atom is also there. Within this, OH group is more powerful than the chlorine atom. That's why if it is undergoing nitration with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, that is the incoming group that is attached to the para position of this OH, because orthochlorophenol, it contains two ortho-para directors. This is undergoing nitration. The OH group is more powerful than the chlorine. That's why in this nitration reaction, the incoming second substituent is attached to the para position to the OH group like this. In this manner, this product is formed if both the groups are ortho-para directors. Here we are catching one point. OH group is more powerful than the chlorine. That's why the incoming group is attached to the para position of the more powerful group. If para position is blocked, the new group enters into the ortho position to the more powerful group. That is example here. This is known as para-chloroaniline. In this para-chloroaniline, this NH2 group para position is blocked with chlorine. But here NH2 is more powerful than the chlorine, but its para position is blocked with chlorine in the para-chloroaniline. But this compound undergoes nitration with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. The new group enters into the ortho position of the more powerful group. Here the more powerful group is NH2. That's why here the incoming electrophile is attached to the ortho position of this more powerful group. Here, that is NH2 group is more powerful than the chlorine. Like second type of groups are known as electron withdrawing groups. The electron withdrawing groups are showing, that is meta-directing groups or deactivating groups, because they shows minus inductive effect and minus mesomeric effect. These electron withdrawing groups are meta-directing groups as well as deactivating groups like this. Here, that example for this one is, so many examples are there, that is NR3 plus and NO2 and CHO and COR, COOH and COOR. Like so many groups comes under this electron withdrawing groups, they will shows the minus negative inductive effect and negative mesomeric effect. If both the groups are meta-directing, the directing influence will depends upon this order. They follows this order. Its order is NR3 plus is greater than the NO2 group and CN and SO3H and CHO and COCH3 and the COOH. This is the directive influence of these each group. And here, if both the groups are, we are taking both the groups as meta-directing groups like CHO and NO2. This is undergoing nitration reaction. This is undergoing nitration reaction like this. If both the groups are meta-directing groups, NO2 is more powerful than the CHO group. For example, in meta-nitrobenzyaldehyde, this is undergoing electrophilic substitution reactions like nitration reaction. To this NO2 group, the meta position is this one. That's why in this nitration reaction, the NO2 plus electrophile is attached to the meta position of the NO2. Because NO2 is more powerful than the CHO. And if both the groups exert different directive influences, like one example here, CH3, NO2, like both the groups are there. But CH3 is orthopara director, but this NO2 is known as meta-director group. Both the groups exerts different directive influences. In this condition, the nitration of this compound takes place like this. And ortho position to this CH3 and meta position to this NO2 group, the new group is attached. Ortho position to CH3 means this position. And meta position to this NO2 means this position. That's why the new group is attached like this. The new group is attached here in this manner like this. Okay. This is the condition when both the groups exert different directive influences. The new incoming group will attaches at the position ortho to this CH3 and meta to this NO2 group, like this product is formed in this condition. Like electron releasing groups and electron withdrawing groups are shows two directive influences in the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Okay.